Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to create an audio spectrum and waveform in CapCut. Creating an audio spectrum in CapCut is best achieved by using pre-animated stickers, which act as a visualizer that reacts to your audio, available on both mobile and PC. So simply import your audio, right, by hitting the audio button here below. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit sound. Inside sound, I'm going to switch to the files, devices or device, and import your audio by hitting select from device. Next, add your audio. Right, let's say this one. I'm going to hit the plus button next to it. Go back, press text, stickers. And now all I gotta do is just type waveform or audio spectrum. So audio spectrum. Right? And add your favorite one or the one you liked. Activation errors help. Right? I can extend it so it can be clear here. Activation errors help lock. You can also extend the audio spectrum as long as the audio goes on. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.